I think these kind of chairs, ergonomic chairs is a big scam in the industry. हम लोग का जो neck का जो सही जो as basically the posture is कि आपका ear hole और आपका shoulder joint जो वो एक लाइन में होने चाहिए.
100 pitches you got the first deal.
फर्स्ट डील जो है फ्लिपकार्ट का. कोई किसी भी तरीके का पेन है उसको हम लोग हेल्प करते हैं. हम पीपल हु हैव पेन, so even this small kind of movement is very very painful.
You are the founder of Flexify Me. What is this? What is Flexify Me and why this name Flexify Me?
कि प्रॉब्लम कितना बड़ा है, कितना टाइम लगेगा, what kind of therapist is required. People who have diabetes, so they are taking one pill or two pills.
Welcome to the Changemaker Show, where we are thrilled to present our podcast series featuring top industry leaders sharing their unique journeys. Today, we are excited to introduce Manjeet Singh, the co-founder of Flexify Me, a dynamic startup focused on holistic health. This innovative platform offers personalized training in physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Mr. Manjeet made a memorable appearance on Shark Tank India Season 3 and secured a significant funding of 1 crore from Namita Thapar. Starting his career as a merchant engineer, he has since ventured into successfully establishing 3 thriving business startups. Join us today as we delve into his educational background and professional trajectory, exploring his experience and overcoming challenges along the way. Please join us in welcoming Mr. Manjeet Singh, the co-founder of Flexify Me.
Hello Manjeet, welcome to our show, The Changemaker Show. कैसे हैं आप?
Thank you so much for having me here. I'm doing great.
Thank you so much for coming here. So Manjeet, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे Flexify Me के ऊपर. You are the founder of Flexify Me. What is this? What is Flexify Me and why this name Flexify Me?
So Flexify Me is a chronic pain management platform. उसमें हम लोग जो है जिसको भी कोई किसी भी तरीके का पेन है उसको हम लोग हेल्प करते हैं. हम लोग का मिशन है so that we can help people to live a pain-free life. So any kind of pain, back pain, neck pain, spondylitis, arthritis, so these kind of pains is what we focus upon. And our platform is a combination of an AI-based screening, computer vision technology that first does a screening of the body to identify any kind of postural alignment issues in the body. Once it identifies that, a plan is created, and that plan is usually started with a physiotherapist or a yoga therapist. And then the progress is tracked until unless the person gets freedom from pain completely.
So when we talk about AI is actually somewhere it's connected with your product.
Yes.
So how this AI artificial intelligence is actually working in terms of the healthcare product? How this is हम थोड़ा समझना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में.
Sure. So सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम अभी क्रॉनिक पेन मार्केट में जो सॉल्व करता है इस फिजियोथेरेपी. फिजियोथेरेपी में सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है कि डायग्नोसिस स्टैंडर्डाइज है ही नहीं. अगर आप एक फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के पास में जाते हैं तो उसका खुद का डायग्नोसिस है, दूसरे के पास में जाते हैं उसका खुद का डायग्नोसिस है. सो जो सबसे बड़ा रीज़न अभी जो क्रॉनिक पेन का है इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ सम पॉस्चरल इश्यूज और अलाइनमेंट इश्यूज इन द बॉडी. सो ह्यूमन बॉडी इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 3 थिंग्स. सो वन इज बोन्स, देन वी हैव मसल्स एंड देन वी हैव जॉइंट्स. So what has happened in the last 10 years is कि हम लोग का movement जो है बहुत कम हो गया. So either we are sitting in front of the laptop for 8-10 years and thanks to Zaptos, Zomatos जो हम लोग पहले खाना खाने के लिए बाहर जाते थे, ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग के लिए जाते थे,
अब वो भी जाना बंद हो चुका है.
वो भी जाना जो मूवमेंट बंद हो गया.
बिल्कुल.
And when the body is not moving, so muscle starts to become stiff. Okay. And then it starts to then it leads to some kind of postural issues or alignment issues in the body, and that starts with all these kind of chronic pain like back pain, neck pain, and that's where we focus upon. So our technology, AI computer vision, it does a detailed analysis of the body in a static mode, like when you're sitting or standing. Okay. So it does a posture analysis, finds out if there is any postural issues in the body. Head का जो condition, is it a forward head, shoulders are dropping, or if there is a pelvic tilt. So it does a detailed analysis of the posture, finds out the issues. Okay. And second, it also checks your joint mobility and muscle का flexibility. So वो कुछ exercise करने के लिए बोलता है कि let's say अगर हाथ में पेन है तो हाथ ऊपर उठा के देखना है, एंड फाइंड्स आउट कि अभी जो जॉइंट्स का मोबिलिटी है वो किस लेवल पे है. उसके बेसिस पे जो है देन द एआई इंजन क्रिएट्स अ प्लान, एंड उस प्लान के अंदर कुछ सेशंस फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के साथ में होते हैं, कुछ सेल्फ पेस्ड प्रैक्टिस के सेशंस होते हैं, एंड दैट्स हाउ द प्रोग्राम इज किक्ड ऑफ.
दिस इज वर्किंग. ओके, आपका बैकग्राउंड टेक में है या फिर हेल्थ केयर से आप बिलोंग करते हैं?
मेरा बैकग्राउंड जो है टेक्नोलॉजी का ही बैकग्राउंड है. बिफोर फ्लेक्सीफाई मी आई वाज द को फाउंडर फॉर अनदर स्टार्टअप कॉल्ड एज बडी फॉर स्टडी. एंड उससे पहले भी जो है टेक्नोलॉजी जो कंपनी IBM और कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनीज में जो है मैं काम कर रहा था. And that's how the technology is one of the core area. But in my last company, Buddy for Study, so I was handling sales also. So slowly, my expertise has shifted from technology to sales. And Buddy, अभी Flexify में I am heading sales and marketing. Technology जो है मेरे दूसरे co-founder Amit, so he is managing.
He's taking care of that part.
So he has 3 AI patents on his name. So very seasoned guy in technology.
Okay. When we talk about Flexify Me, this is a kind of product जिसको मैं count कर सकता हूँ शायद healthcare product से.
Yes.
If I'm not wrong.
Yes.
So being a student of technology, you completed your BTech.
Yes.
एक BTech के स्टूडेंट आज एक हेल्थ केयर इंडस्ट्री में वर्क कर रहे हैं. वर्क इन द सेंस ही इज रनिंग द कंपनी. कैसे आप क्रोनिक पेन या मसल्स, हाउ यू आर हैविंग दैट मच नॉलेज अबाउट इट, कैसे आपने इन बारे में कैसे आप समझ पाए?
So जो Flexify Me का जो main how the story started was in about 2015-16. So when I was running Buddy for Study, so I was diagnosed with something called as lumbar spondylosis. So it's a lower back pain problem. And उसमें मेरे को बहुत बैक पेन काफ़ी रहता था. जब मैंने एक्सरे MRI कराया तो मेरे को डिस्क बल्ज और डिस्क हर्निएशन का जो है इशू आया. एंड उस टाइम में डॉक्टर से मेरे को बोला कि आप फिजियोथेरेपी चालू करो. तो मैंने फिजियोथेरेपी किया, स्पोर्ट्स थेरेपी, हॉट थेरेपी, एवरीथिंग जो भी मेरे को ऑप्शन मिला, आई ट्राइड एवरीथिंग. बट हर चीज़ जो है इट वॉज गिविंग मी टेम्परेरी रिलीफ. सो देन आई बेसिकली स्टार्टेड रीचिंग टू अ स्टेज जहाँ पे डॉक्टर्स ने मेरे को बोलना स्टार्ट किया कि अभी सर्जरी जो है करना पड़ेगा. But again, the idea was I didn't want to go under the knife, and I want to recover naturally. So that's when I started looking for some other solutions for my health, and that's when I started delving into the health, understood more about posture, alignment, why that back pain was already there. So I found out that there were a lot of postural issues in my body, and when I fixed those issues, so I was able to get rid of pain. Then I tried those things with some of my friend, my other co-founder Amit. Also, he also had a shoulder neck pain. So I helped him also in getting better. And that's when we came together. We thought I think this is a very large problem, and this is growing very fast.
Yeah.
So we thought let's bring some technology into it, so that we can help millions of people around the globe to live a pain-free life.
Right. Flexify Me, or I could say when we talk about the posture, bad posture, आज के time पे is very common.
Yes.
है ना? Bad posture is if a person is sitting in the office and working on the laptop, he must be having the problem. मैं थोड़ा सा ground level पे इस पे बात करना चाहूँगा, so our audience can understand the entire concept of Flexify Me. Suppose if I'm working and I'm an IT professional, and if I'm having any problem in suppose back pain, if I'm suffering from back pain, what are the next step? Do I need to go on the website? I need to search. I will get a consultation there.
Correct.
That is the first step.
Yes.
Okay. What's next?
So usually when you come on our website, so you basically give us some information कि let's say बैक पेन है तो कब से है, अगर आपने कोई एक्सरे MRI कराया है तो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन भी आप प्रोवाइड करते हो. कोई प्रीवियस हिस्ट्री अगर और किसी प्रॉब्लम का, हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम का है, तो वो सब आप प्रोवाइड करते हो प्लेटफॉर्म के अंदर, जिसके बेसिस पे हम लोग का AI इंजन एक असेसमेंट क्रिएट करता है, सेल्फ असेसमेंट ऑटोमेटिकली और डेटा के बेसिस पे. एंड व्हेन आई मीन इट जस्ट नीड्स अ कैमरा, आपका लैपटॉप का कैमरा या मोबाइल का कैमरा, एंड आप उसको ऑन करते हो तो वो आपको पूरा गाइड करता है कि पहले स्टार्टिंग में आपको खड़े रहना है टू एनालाइज द पोस्चर. देन इट आस्क्स यू टू डू सर्टेन मूवमेंट्स ऑफ द बॉडी की अगर लेट्स नेक पेन है तो नेक के मूवमेंट्स, हैंड पेन है तो हैंड के मूवमेंट, तो वो पूरा
कैप्चर्स थ्रू कैमरा.
यस. कैमरे के थ्रू इट विल कैप्चर द पोस्चर as well as the movements that you are doing, and basis that it analyzes the whole data of your body and matches with our data to find out what are the postural issues. Is there a posture issue in the neck? There could be some joint mobility issue in your shoulder. So it analyzes that, creates a very detailed report, around a 5-6 pager report, and uske basis pe jo hai then an therapist is aligned, and then the sessions are started with the therapist, plus some DIY do it yourself videos are also added.
So charges start from the consultation part, or if someone is taking any kind of plan, then charges is that?
So first session, that is basically our demo, or we call it as an assessment session, is free, because that is where we are able to understand कि problem कितना बड़ा है, कितना टाइम लगेगा, what kind of therapist is required. So that is part is free, but once we explain the report, then it's a consultative mode. We tell them, okay, this is the problem, this is going to be the time that will take, and if they decide to onboard, वहाँ से फिर जो है that paid journey starts on our platform.
Okay, when we talk about therapist, do you have your in-house therapist? You are hiring therapist, or you have any consultation kind of like project base पे आप काम करते हैं? कैसे? How does it work?
So we have जो भी फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट हैं, HODs, head of the departments, so वो हम लोग के पेरोल के ऊपर हैं, but then we have lot of other physiotherapist और yoga therapist जो हम लोग के साथ contractual basis के ऊपर aligned रहते हैं. So currently we have close to about 73 therapists that are working with us, and again depending on how many sessions they are providing, so they generate
and what are the number of consumer, I could say, that you have till now?
So till now, overall, we have helped over almost 70,000 plus clients.
70,000 plus clients.
Yeah.
Wow.
And the
That's a good
paid
number.
users that we have currently are close to about 6,000 odd paid users from about 26 countries is what we are serving.
And किस ईयर में आपने शुरुआत की थी फ्लेक्सीफाई में की?
फ्लेक्सीफाई में हम लोग ने जो रजिस्टर किया था, इट वाज सितंबर 2021, बट फुल फ्लेजेडली जो हम लोगों ने काम चालू किया, दैट वाज अबाउट February 22 इज व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड फुल टाइम.
2021 में आई बिलीव उस टाइम पे थोड़ा सा इम्पैक्ट ऑफ कोविड, आई कुड से, इसने आपके बिजनेस को कुछ इम्पैक्ट किया था?
सो कोविड का उस टाइम में जो है वेव, अगेन फर्स्ट वेव वाज डाइंग डाउन, सेकंड वाज कमिंग अप, सो it helped the business, I mean, in that sense, because again people were getting more open to online consultation, online sessions, so that helped us at least in the beginning to get the early adopters, and वहाँ से जो है फिर हम लोग का further journey start हुआ.
वहाँ से एक बार आपकी जर्नी में शुरुआत से सुनना चाहूँगा. लाइक 2021 यू स्टार्टेड, इससे पहले भी आपने कंपनी शुरू की. थोड़ा और पीछे चलते हैं, आपने अपनी कॉलेज की जर्नी कब खत्म की थी?
So मेरा जो कॉलेज है, I am passed out in 2005.
2005 पास आउट. आपने बीटेक करा था?
हाँ, मैंने बीटेक किया था, और जो मेरा इंजीनियरिंग था वो मरीन इंजीनियरिंग, मर्चेंट नेवी में मेरा इंजीनियरिंग था. So there's a college in Kolkata, MERI, Marine Engineering and Research Institute. So it's a IIT के through I got admission into it, and 2005 में मैं पास आउट हुआ. उसके बाद में थोड़े दिन मैंने सेलिंग किया, बट अगेन सेलिंग वाज नॉट माय कप ऑफ टी, सो डिसाइडेड टू कम बैक. वापस आके कुछ दिन मैंने कॉल सेंटर में काम किया. कॉल सेंटर के साथ साथ में थोड़ा IT सीखा. आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग जावा, और उसके बाद में आई गॉट अ ब्रेक इन IBM. सो उसके बाद में मैंने IBM के साथ कुछ दिन काम किया. देन मूव टू अफ्रीका विद MTN. सो वहाँ से जो है फिर मेरा एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ.
You started. What was your first company? I believe you are having 3 to 4 company experience. You already started, and now you are on Flexify Me. What was the first company that you started?
So first company I started was Lucid Software Services. It was into IT services, again services business. So when I was in Africa with MTN, so I got an opportunity. They had a project and they were looking for someone to execute it. So they discussed with me. I came back in India. I set up a company. I hired some guys, and I got my first project from MTN. And that's how my first company, Lucid Software Services, started.
And then you started Buddy for Study.
Yes. So second was Buddy for
Buddy for Study. When we talk about Buddy for Study, it sounds something like edtech company.
Yes. Buddy for Study was completely into education. So we are India's largest scholarship platform. So we created a platform that was getting used by over 200 plus corporates and universities for launching and managing their scholarship as well as other services.
Okay. The biggest challenge that you have encountered, if I talk about in terms of startup journey, startup शुरू करना, ideation phase is something, ठीक है, idea आ रहा है, click कर रहा है दिमाग में, that is fine. Execution is the tough part,
right?
है ना? You also agree on this point?
Yeah, 100%.
So because you are having extensive experience of running 3 to 4 company now, so after ideation part, what are the basic challenges that a person or entrepreneur facing in these days?
No, I'm a big believer that idea is only for 5% and 95% is the execution.
Execution, exactly.
Yeah. So I think one of the biggest challenge that we have seen initially as well as later on also, that once you have an idea, you start working on a prototype. So two main things getting right people, because again, alone you can do only much, right? So you need a very good team for executing. That is one big challenge. And second is, of course, you need some money to get it off the ground. So these are the two main things, two main challenges once you have a good idea. So when you move into the execution stage, so these are the two things that you need.
Okay. When I talk about Flexify Me, do you have competitors in the market?
Yes. So in a chronic pain market, so there are some competitors.
Some competitors
yes,
are there.
yes. So
then how you are different from your competitors? What best you are providing?
So I think two main things that is, separating us from others is one, the technology.
Okay.
So currently the kind of tech that we have is not available with any other company in India, at least. With that AI computer vision, in which we are able to create the detailed report, we are able to tell people what exactly is the problem, what is the root cause for their problem. And second, I would say, is basically the team. So the team that we have, it's like that empathetic team. So our mission is very, very clear. So we want to help people in getting freedom from pain, because when you have pain, that easy movements, for people like us, sitting out of this chair, going out is not a challenge. But people who have pain, so even this small kind of movement is very, very painful. So our mission is to just help those people to live again a pain-free life.
Okay. What kind of research, or I could say development, that was needed in the early stage of starting of Flexify Me? किस टाइप की रिसर्च आपने करे, आपको क्या लगा, मार्केट को आपने कैसे एनालाइज करा कि this is something that we can introduce to the market? How you decided?
Correct. I think it's a very good question. So again, कोई भी स्टार्टअप हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं, उससे पहले उसके पीछे का जो ग्राउंड वर्क है, आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो जब हम लोग क्रॉनिक पेन के ऊपर करे थे, तो हम लोग मल्टीपल चीज़ें जो हैं, वी वर थिंकिंग कि हेल्थ में और हम लोग जो है क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. सो डायबिटीज़ वाज अगेन वन ऑफ द बिग प्रॉब्लम. सो उसमें भी हम लोग वी थॉट कि कुछ करते हैं. या थायराइड वाज अनदर प्रॉब्लम दैट वाज अ वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम दैट वी वांट टू वर्क ऑन. एंड chronic pain was another problem. So what we started doing was, initially we started understanding how big is the market that for chronic pain. There are close to about 2 billion people globally who have this problem, and it's growing very, very fast because of the sedentary lifestyle. And we started doing a small pilot. We started with the diabetes market, but the problem with the diabetes market is people who have diabetes, so they're taking one pill or two pills, so the motivation for a lifestyle change is low. Same was with thyroid. But when we focused on this pain market, so people are constantly living in pain, so their motivation for making a lifestyle change is very, very high.
Right.
So that's that was basically the place where we realized this is the place where we can make the maximum change in people's life to live a healthy or better life. Okay. So that's basically, then we decided this is the vertical market that we want to focus on.
Okay. At the time that you started, you were having the exact fund that was required to launch the product in the market, or did you ask for fund to the investors initial phase पे? आपने bootstrapping की या फिर bootstrapping के बिना ही आपने फंड लिया था?
नहीं, स्टार्टिंग में जब हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया, तो अगेन द आइडिया वाज फर्स्ट वी वांटेड टू टेस्ट द वाटर्स. तो मैंने और मेरे को फाउंडर अमित ने, हम लोगों ने एक छोटा छोटा अमाउंट खुद से इन्वेस्ट किया. एंड डे वन से जो है हम लोगों ने एक पेज क्रिएट किया. एंड उस पेज के ऊपर, उस टाइम में तो हमारे पास में कोई टेक्नोलॉजी कुछ भी नहीं था. हम लोगों ने एक पेज क्रिएट किया एंड वी स्टार्टेड गैदरिंग सम लीड्स फ्रॉम इट. कस्टमर से बात करना स्टार्ट किया एंड स्टार्टेड सेलिंग. सो डे फ्रॉम मंथ 1 वी वर ऑन इन सेलिंग. एंड दैट्स व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि लोग इसको पे करने के लिए रेडी हैं या नहीं है, व्हाट इज दैट प्रोडक्ट दैट दे आर लुकिंग फॉर. सो इनिशियली हम लोग के पास में AI भी नहीं था, तो हम लोग जो भी सेशंस, डेमो सेशन होते थे, तो हम लोग यूट्यूब पे रिकॉर्ड करते थे. एंड मैं और अमित, हम लोग फिर बाद में उसे पिक्चर्स काट के उनमें AI लाइंस खुद से लगाते थे पिक्चर्स के अंदर. और फिर क्लाइंट्स को जब एक्सप्लेन करते थे, तो दे स्टार्टेड फीलिंग दैट वाओ कि यार हाँ, मतलब दिस इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. एंड दैट्स व्हेन वी डिसाइडेड दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच पीपल आर लाइकिंग, एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग टेक फॉर इट.
ओके. सबसे पहली फंडिंग आपको कब मिली थी?
सो जब हम लोगों ने छोटा सा पायलट रन किया विद आवर ओन मनी, व्हेन वी वर कॉन्फिडेंट कि देयर इज अ स्पेस एंड देयर इज अ लार्जर प्रॉब्लम दैट वी कैन सॉल्व. सो उस टाइम में भी जो है, अगेन फंडिंग मार्केट वाज नॉट वेरी गुड. सो वी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग टू आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, एंड काफ़ी सारे कुछ पुराने एंटरप्रेन्योर फ्रेंड्स, कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स. सो दे केम टुगेदर and उनके साथ हम लोगों ने they helped us in raising about 2 CR.
Okay.
And that gave us the seed fund for building the technology, for scaling it a little bit. And that was the initial money that we raised that gave us a good runway for about 15 to 18 months.
Okay, that's great. I mean, आपके काफ़ी अच्छे connections भी थे and luckily you got help from them, I could say.
Correct.
But आज के टाइम पे बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं they are not actually getting the exact I could say जो आपको मिला है वो हर चीज़ों को नहीं मिल पाते हैं.
Correct.
Till now 2024 अभी तक कितनी फंडिंग आपने Flexify Me पे you got the funding from the market? What is the total amount that you got?
So Flexify में अभी टोटल हम लोगों ने करीब 12.5 करोड़ के आसपास में जो अभी रेस किया है. हाँ.
Okay. What are your future plans for the 5 year? You're having the fund, now you have the exact team, now this is in demand of the market. What are your future plans for the 5 year?
So now again, the idea is we are scaling it up, and now we have got that initial traction. We have got a decent brand visibility after Shark Tank. So now we are focusing on expanding. Plus, we are also working on making our tech even stronger.
Okay.
So tech is one thing that we are focusing upon, and second, being a health tech company, so we are also getting some clinical validations done by third parties, as well as we also have plans for going for FDA approvals and all that. Plus, we are also now tying up with corporate. So usually in corporate, people like almost 30-35% of the people, so they have these kind of problems. So we are now tying up with corporates, wherein we are helping their people, to increase their productivity by reducing the problem of pain.
You just said कि you got the funding from Shark Tank, and after Shark Tank you got the good visibility to the audience. Let's talk about the Shark Tank now.
Sure.
So Shark Tank एक ऐसा टॉपिक है, हमने इससे पहले भी 3-4 शूट करे हैं Shark Tank पे, and अभी तक का मोस्ट वायरल कंटेंट हमारा Shark Tank पे जा रहा है. तो how was your experience? I mean, I believe this was your first experience. This is the first time you got selected for the Shark Tank.
Correct.
So how you approached? आप किस तरह से आपने Shark Tank में पहुंचने की कोशिश की? How you got selected, and what was the feeling?
So I think overall it has been a very I would say life transforming experience for us in the Shark Tank. So I still remember जब हम लोगों ने 2021 में स्टार्ट किया था, तो हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट टाइम 23 के अंदर 22-23 के अंदर we tried applying for the Shark Tank फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग का जो है इनिशियल राउंड्स क्लियर हो गए थे, और हम लोग का जो है वी रीच टू तो बेसिकली द सेकंड थर्ड राउंड वी से, इन विच यू गो and you pitch in front of that Shark Tank team. They do the recording and all that, so that's basically the pre-final round.
Okay.
So we reached there, but again I think that was the time. Till then our technology was also not matured, so our app was also not ready. So they liked the idea. Again they found it very different, and they followed up with us also. And they wanted to see the technology in live, but again, I mean, we were not able to launch the app and all that in time, so we missed that opportunity. But again in 23, so we again applied in season 3. So season 3 में हम लोग फिर next level तक पहुँचे, but good part was by that time our tech was ready, so we gave them the demo and we were lucky, got selected, and rest is history. So I think one of the thing that really worked for us is that basically that overall story that was around the chronic pain.
So what kind of changes that you felt after the story of Shark Tank? You appeared on Shark Tank, you got the funding, that's fine. You got the national vision, आपको हर जगह पे आपकी publicity भी हो गई. What kind of changes that you feel in terms of sales, in terms of marketing? Did you feel some changes?
Yeah. So the day that Shark Tank episode went live, so our traffic almost increased by 40x. 40. So it was crazy. Like, I mean, so the traffic, the servers were getting overloaded. So as soon as, I mean, so we put a live monitoring on the traffic, and when the show was coming live on Shark Tank, so within few hours, I mean, so there was this huge number of traffic, the leads almost grew. I would say at peak time it was almost about 50x of the kind of leads that we were getting. The entire team went crazy. HR was also doing calling, and even our office boy was also calling. So the entire team, even the co-founders, we were also on calls back to back. So the overall sales and everything grew almost by 5x in that period. and also in the personal life also. So we got good visibility.
Right.
Everyone started
Exactly.
recognizing, flexifying me, I think. But one thing that that didn't really went well is in terms of we were not able to respond to so many messages,
Yeah,
emails that
exactly.
keep pouring in. So I
ट्रैफिक
think
वाज हाई तो
हाँ,
उस
so-
टाइम पे एक टाइम पे सबको रिप्लाई करना इज रियली नॉट पॉसिबल वी अंडरस्टैंड
there must be some lot of missed opportunities also.
बट दैट वाज रियली अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस हमें उस टाइम बहुत एक्साइटमेंट हो रही होगी
Yeah.
डिड रियली गुड समथिंग
Yeah, it was amazing. I mean, so going in front of the sharks.
Yeah.
And usually, so it's basically 4 days. I mean, so what they do is the shoot. Before shoot, they call you like 3-4 days in advance.
Okay.
So for the next 2 to 3 days, so they take you on the set. There's a lot of rehearsal, story setting. The story is done, and you start at about 8:30 in the morning, and we used to reach back hotel at about 10:30 p.m. in the night. Again, the next morning at 8:30 on the sets. So the team works really hard, and by the last 4th day, we appeared in front of the shark, and
Yeah.
it was very different experience.
जस्ट वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड मोर अबाउट द शार्क टैंक स्टोरी बिहाइंड द सीन आप अभी अपेयर हुए थे जब उसमें स्क्रीन पे जब लोगों ने आपको देखा ऑन स्क्रीन तो आपने एंड योर को फाउंडर
Amit, yeah.
अमित यू बोथ अपेयर्ड ऑन द स्क्रीन आपने यहाँ पे लगा रखा था एंड द क्रोनिक पेन बैक पेन को भी आपने अपने प्रोडक्ट को भी वहाँ पे यूज़ किया हुआ था सो वी जस्ट वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो चीज़ें यू प्रिपेयर्ड या फिर चैनल वालों ने आपको बताया था कि नहीं दिस इज द वे यू कैन डू इट सो डिड यू गेट एनी काइंड ऑफ हेल्प और सपोर्ट फ्रॉम देम और
Yes,
व्हाट इट वाज योर इनोवेशन
So basically, usually we go with the story. Okay, this is the problem. We create our own pitch, but then there's a lot of support that they provide in terms of how to make it more appealing. How to make it well articulated.
Right.
So those are the things. So they supported, and I would say the pitch that we started and the final pitch that we have. So almost 50-60% of the pitch was changed with their help. So they have a very amazing content team that helps in the overall pitch preparation.
ओके सो इट्स कम्प्लीटली वो एक प्रिपरेशन जो है वो पहले ही हो जाती है आई बिलीव है ना कि गेट कैसे खुलना है कैसे
Yes.
आपको आना है हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग दैट यू आर गेटिंग अर्लियर
Yes.
फ्रॉम दैट द ओनली थिंग इज लाइव इज यू आर मीटिंग द शार्क फर्स्ट टाइम
Yes.
दैट इज द ओनली लाइव
Yes.
ओके
So usme, once you go in front of the shark, so
Yeah.
then there is no retake, there is
Nothing.
nothing, right?
Okay.
So the overall our pitch went for almost 1.5 hours.
Okay.
So there's a lot of grilling, lot of questioning keeps
Yeah.
happening on the Shark Tank, and you are not. I mean, so there are a lot of fumble that we did even when we were
Yeah.
pitching. So, but you are not sure कि कौन सा 10-15 मिनट का जो है is what they will be picking. But yeah, it was.
दैट्स कम्प्लीटली उनका डिसीजन होता है कि
decision
वो
होता
कौन सा पार्ट आपका डाल के
Yes, yes.
तो जब फर्स्ट टाइम आपने अपने आप को देखा होगा टीवी पे वो आपके लिए भी फर्स्ट टाइम ही था
Yeah, yeah.
दैट इज फॉर द फर्स्ट
Completely first
आपके पास कोई भी क्लिप उससे पहले
नहीं उससे पहले कुछ भी नहीं होता इनफैक्ट वही मैं तो आपको बता रहा हूँ कि वो पूरे के पूरे 1.5 घंटे के अंदर इतने सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स होते हैं मतलब नेगेटिव चीज़ों के ऊपर
Yes,
आपकी ग्रिलिंग भी होती
yes.
है पॉजिटिव चीज़ पे प्रेज भी होता है तो
Right.
यू डोंट इवन नो कि एग्जैक्टली क्या जो है फाइनल निकल के आने वाला बिकॉज अगेन दोज 15-20 मिनट्स में द क्रक्स हाउ दे आर शोइंग इज वेरी क्रूशियल
द बेस्ट पार्ट दैट आई कैन ऑब्जर्व आफ्टर हैविंग दिस मच इंटरव्यू एंड डिस्कशन पॉडकास्ट विद द शार्क टैंक पीपल एक मिथ कह लूँ या फिर एक परसेप्शन कह लूँ मैं जो हम जैसे लोगों को है नॉर्मल एंटरप्रेन्योर आई कुड से द स्टार्टअप ओनर्स दैट रीचिंग ऑन द शार्क टैंक वी आर हैविंग द गोल वी विल गेट द फंड बट जो मैं ऑब्जर्व कर पा रहा हूँ आप लोगों से बात करके इज गेटिंग फंड इज द सेकेंडरी पार्ट everyone is getting the image and that is actually helping a lot to increase the business in terms of sales or marketing
वेरी ट्रू
so ये सबसे बड़ा पार्ट मुझे लग रहा है
100% agree. I think the biggest reason for which entrepreneurs should go to Shark Tank is that branding or that
And
visibility that we
promotions.
get. So funding is a small part I
Yeah.
think, and मिले ना मिला I know some of
Yeah,
the
right.
some of the friends जिनको funding नहीं मिली थी but their business have scaled tremendously.
Right.
So just by appearing on the Shark Tank.
Can we talk on some challenges that you have faced during your entire journey in terms of business, in terms of startup? जो आपको सबसे लगा हो कि यार आज तक की मेरी लाइफ का ये सबसे टफ पार्ट था एंड यू ओवरकम दैट पार्ट तो उसके बारे में एक बार थोड़ा समझना चाहते हैं आप
Sure.
बताएं
I think startups में तो आप
Up and
you are
down
already
should
run
be there.
right तो वो तो
Exactly.
हम लोग का I think life का daily
Right.
challenge है every day you face new challenges. But I think some of the challenges that we faced is about in 2023 के आसपास में या 22 and 23 के आसपास में when we started raising for the funds. I think that was basically a challenging period because again the funding market already crashed and the investors का जो पहले का जो benchmarks थे that was completely off because initially in 21-22 so everybody was looking for scale कि आप top का number top line का number दिखाओ and funding लेके जाओ and so हम लोगों ने भी उसके ऊपर फोकस किया हम लोगों ने बॉटम लाइन पे फोकस किया नहीं स्टार्टिंग में हम लोगों ने खाली टॉप लाइन के ऊपर फोकस किया वी स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग वेरी फास्ट एंड जब हम लोग मार्केट में जाने लगे तो सब इन्वेस्टर्स ने जो है टॉप लाइन के ऊपर कांटा मार दिया बोलने लगे बॉटम लाइन दिखाना स्टार्ट करो एंड आई थिंक दैट वाज अ चैलेंजिंग पार्ट इवन इन माई प्रीवियस स्टार्टअप एज वेल एज माई अदर को फाउंडर अमित सो वी हैव collectively raised about 6 rounds of investments. But this was our hardest time. I mean, this time for raising funds, I and Amit did almost about 143 pitches.
143 pitches.
And that was in a period of about 6-7 months. So every day we were doing 2-3 pitches.
New investor, giving the pitches and everything.
Pitching. So that's why I tell everyone. So 143 तो पुराने 6 राउंड्स में भी मिला के शायद उतनी पिच हम लोगों ने नहीं करी थी जितना इस टाइम में आया था.
And if I talk about 143 pitches, उसमें conversion कितना रहा आपका?
So जो फर्स्ट कन्वर्जन हम लोग का जो रहा था दैट वाज फ्लिपकार्ट. सो फ्लिपकार्ट जो था आई थिंक हम लोगों का 113th पिच था. सो उसके बाद में जो है पहला हम लोग को थोड़ा पॉजिटिव मिला था.
आफ्टर 100 pitches you got the first deal.
फर्स्ट डील जो है फ्लिपकार्ट का. बट वंस वी क्लोज्ड फ्लिपकार्ट then things started to fall in place. Other investors also started showing interest that we got a lead investor. But yeah, first Flipkart को लाने में took us 113 pitches almost.
Wow. Incredible job I could say. I mean, patience उस level तक अपने आप को patience maintain करते रखना और 100 pitches with no result.
Yes.
And still we are trying something and still we are giving our best.
Correct.
Is something बहुत कमाल की चीज़ होती है ये. मंजीत आप मुझे एक चीज़ बताइए क्या if suppose you got the funding from Flipkart, a trusted name in the market, इसका impact आता है next funding मिलने में?
डेफिनेटली आई थिंक जैसे मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ जब एक हमारा फर्स्ट फ्लिपकार्ट का जो क्लोज हुआ तो वंस वी गॉट अ लीड इन्वेस्टर सो देन लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स स्टार्ट्स टू फ्रीज. टर्म्स फ्रीज हो गए, वैल्यूएशन फ्रीज हो गया, सब कुछ जो है एक वो फ्रीज हो गया. तो उसके बाद में क्या हुआ इट्स ऑल अबाउट देन गेव अस ऑल्सो कॉन्फिडेंस कि अब तो फ्लिपकार्ट है हम लोग के पास में. एंड देन द वे वी वर गोइंग टू द अदर इन्वेस्टर्स वर कि यार ये टर्म्स है ये हम लोग के पास में है फ्लिपकार्ट ऑलरेडी आ गया है सो वी हैव नाउ अ पाइपलाइन. If you want to come on board तो बताओ otherwise you are the one who will be missing the bus. So then I think the conversation started to change. Then we started getting investors interest more and then we were able to start closing.
During your entire journey of startup मैं एक ऐसे सिचुएशन के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगा जो आई बिलीव मैं आप या कोई भी स्टार्टअप ओनर की मैं बात करूँ वो सिचुएशन आई बिलीव हर किसी की लाइफ में आई है और एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन रहता है ये हर किसी का. Have you faced any time during your entire startup journey जब आपके पास एक limited fund बचा हो to run the company and you were lacking with the fund?
बहुत बार I think हाँ ऐसे तो near death experiences I think were multiple. even Buddy for Study के टाइम में भी even Flexify में भी जब मैं आपको हम लोग जो है फंड रेजिंग स्टार्ट किया था and when we started the फंड रेजिंग सो हम लोग के पास में करीब 5-6 महीने का जो है फंड वॉज देयर इन द बैंक एंड एज आई मेंशन्ड इट टुक अस लॉट लॉन्गर. एंड वहाँ पे जब हम लोग आए तो एवरी डे व्हेन यूज्ड टू गो टू ऑफिस सो देयर इज आई मीन एनर्जी वाज डाउन. वी रीच्ड आउट टू द एंटायर टीम को भी हम लोगों ने बताया एक्सप्लेन करना स्टार्ट किया. एंड बट अगेन द गुड पार्ट वॉज टीम वॉज विद अस. सो पूरी की पूरी टीम ने फ्लेक्सीफाई मी की टीम ने ऑलमोस्ट on a 70% पे कट सब लोगों ने काम किया for almost about 6 months and that was basically again मैंने और अमित ने तो हम लोगों ने 12 महीने we didn't take any salary. Even the entire team जो भी bare minimum पे काम चला सकते थे सब लोगों ने 6-7 महीने फाइट मारी I think and worked very very hard. I think that was the reason we were able to pull out this entire thing.
They had trust you and that's why they agreed on this point.
Yes.
Basically. So, Manjeet, we will be having some rapid fire questions. I'm going to ask you, you can answer in 1 or 2 lines.
Sure.
How do you handle setback and failures within your company?
I think the biggest thing is we do understand before doing anything that there's gonna be failure, and but the idea is we have that energy that we'll figure it out. So we put together the team, we get in a room, we'll find out what has to be done next. But always again we don't really count them as failures but setbacks, and as a what is the next route or actions that we have to take to overcome it.
Okay. How do you stay ahead of the competition in the rapidly evolving market?
I think one of the most important thing in health market is to be patient centric or customer centric. So staying in close touch with your customer, I think, is the most important thing. And for us, even today, like every day, I take some leads myself, talk to some customers, and just try to understand from them what are they feeling, are they liking the service, what are the next thing that they need. So staying close touch with your clients is, I think, one of the most important things.
Okay, the next question that I'm going to ask is, how did you prepare for your pitch on Shark Tank India?
I think when we went to the Shark Tank, so we were already in fundraising for about 6 months.
Okay.
So the pitch was already ready. So we had that pitch, went to the Shark Tank team, and the content team made some changes. Thoda masala उन लोगों ने डाला. So but it was almost 50-60% ready by the time we went to Shark Tank.
The next question again on the Shark Tank. Why Namita? Why you have taken the fund only from Namita? You were having the two options.
Yes. So again, when we went to the Shark Tank, so we were very, very clear, I and Amit, that healthcare, the domain understanding is something which we both lack. And we were looking for a strong partner that can help us with that understanding. And that's when Namita, coming from that pharma background, is the best partner for us.
Okay. What were some of the biggest challenge that you faced after Shark Tank, after getting the fund of Shark Tank?
The biggest challenge, again, coping up with the flow of the lead that was coming in. So we were expecting maybe the lead flow will increase by 2x, 3x. So we had that war chest, we had that backup people for calling and helping. But when the lead suddenly grew almost by 40x, so we were like completely blown away. And I think that was basically the time. We put together everyone, even all the founders, the HR team, admin team, everybody was on calls. But still, I would say we missed a lot of opportunities. We should have prepared better for that coming.
Do you want to launch your product out of India?
Yes, so currently we are already have clients from about 26 countries, but now launching properly. So like last week I was in talks with the UK government, so we are planning to do something in UK, as well as we are also looking for opportunities how to launch in US and other European countries.
Okay. What was the worst feedback that you have got from your customer till now? People generally ask for the good feedback. I personally ask you the worst, because sometimes it happens in terms of healthcare. If you're doing good and if you're having any problem with your product, generally हमें बहुत कुछ सुनना पड़ता है उसके.
Correct.
What was the worst feedback I could say जब आपको problem face हुई है, आपको mental stress हुआ होगा उस चीज को मैं?
So I think we keep getting at times negative feedback, and most of the negative feedbacks that we get is usually either with the technology, that the technology is, because again we are building slowly, so it is not able to keep up with the pace that we are growing. Or second, at times with the therapist, the therapist was not very empathetic the way the client was expecting. So these are like some of the key areas on which we are focusing as we are growing, because these are the two major concern areas that we keep hearing from the clients.
Okay. What is the current valuation of Flexify Me in 2024?
So the last round that we raised, we were valued at about 40 crores was our valuation.
Okay. ठीक है. थैंक यू सो मच मंजीत. आई बिलीव हमने काफ़ी अच्छी कन्वर्सेशन आज करी है, एंड हमारे ऑडियंस को काफ़ी कुछ समझने को मिला. दे अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द फ्लेक्सीफाई मी, दे अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, हाउ दिस प्रोडक्ट इज एक्चुअली हेल्पफुल फॉर देयर हेल्थ. क्रोनिक हेल्थ के ऊपर किस तरह से क्रोनिक पेन को वो कम कर सकते हैं इसका यूज़ करके. दे ऑलरेडी गॉट द आइडिया अबाउट इट. हमने शार्क टैंक की स्टोरी को कवर करी. सो द वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन दैट आई रियली वांट टू आस्क यू, व्हाट मैसेज यू वांट टू डिलीवर to the young entrepreneur who recently started their business?
I think two suggestions I would say that has really helped me over the journey. I would have been grateful कि मेरे को थोड़ा और पहले पता लगता. So I think one is, of course, that hard work. I mean, so startup is a very, very hard journey, right? I mean, it's a very, very hard journey, very, very alone journey. So having, the right friends, who are also going through that journey is very important, because those are the people that are able to understand ki kya problem hai and all that.
Right.
I think that is one part. And second is taking care of your health. So after my last body first study, when I had that problem, so since then I have made a very strong choice that I get up very, very early. So I get up early, I do my meditation as well as a little bit of yoga, and then I start my day.
Health
So
is important.
Yeah,
That's what
so,
you.
yeah.
Okay.
So keeping your mental health in check is I think very, very important.
Okay. It was wonderful talking to you, Manjeet, and thank you so much for coming on our platform.
My
I wish
pleasure.
you all the best for Flexify Me. Thanks again.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.